How is this lighting? Very spooky, very Halloween. Oh yeah! America. This actually looks really vampire-y. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all of my steampunk goth costume pieces. But before we get started, I'm Sophia Lovelace. I post beauty videos, fashion videos, vlogs, and story times. So if any of that stuff interests you, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to be notified when I have new uploads. I upload around once a week, so you do not want to miss out when I have those uploads. So first, before we get started, I want to do a few disclaimers. First being, it is 9 o'clock at night. I totally came up with this idea out of the blue. I was actually painting my nails and I put on this color and I was like, this is such a steampunk color. I should make a steampunk video. The reason I'm doing this video is because I've done a few steampunk videos in the past. They've done really well and they're also like super fun to film. So I thought, hey, why not I do a video about my steampunk collection? Let me know down below if you really like this weird shadow, spooky, Halloween, steampunk, goth lighting. So the first item is something that I bought exclusively for a Marilyn Manson and Rob Zombie concert. Just this beautiful, 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 beautiful goth shirt. So it has these beautiful bell sleeves with lace. If you watched my Steampunk Festival vlog video, this I also use this for my steampunk pirate costume, or I guess my goth pirate costume. This is what the skirt looks like here. It goes about to my knees and it kind of has this witchy cut to it, and I just put this underneath the shirt so it looks, the shirt comes down to about here. I posted this in one of my haul videos. I think I titled it, I Spent Too Much or something like that. That's a title I title a lot of my videos, so I will link that haul up here. But I got this beautiful black, long, almost ankle length skirt. It's like, it's this black button up shirt here with this beautiful, beautiful white collar. I got this, oh, and it has it on the sleeve, on the sleeves as well. And I got this at Forever 21 on clearance for $11, I think. Especially with the sleeves here is giving me inner view with the vampire vibes. It is a really cool dress. Again, I wear this as everyday wear, but I've worn it as a costume a few times, and it's just this beautiful black dress here. I got this dress from H&M for $14, I think, and it has this beautiful black ruffle to it, and it's just, I think I wore this once as like Wednesday Addams or something like that for Halloween, and it's just a beautiful, very Victorian, very goth. I know this clip is not going to do this piece justice, but this is the clothing costume that I made for the Harry Potter festival. I dressed up as a student that went to the French schools, but I sewed this long sleeve dress with these beautiful, beautiful blue buttons here. It cost me about $50 for all the fabric, so I think that's a really good deal for a steampunk costume. But I will show you a photo now of what I looked like at the festival. And this is what hat I wore. The next item I got was for when I dressed up as Captain Hook. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what the coat looks like here. It has these beautiful black buttons on it. So beautiful. I love it so much. So it has shoulder pads. And I did not find this in the costume section. I found this in the regular women's section. So I don't know who would wear this in public, but it is totally Captain Hook. Totally piratey. And I'm just gonna put on because it's gonna be really hard to explain, but this is something that I sewed out of a pair of pants that were like high-waisted pants, but this is just a cape for my vampire hunter costume that I wore the second year that I went to the Steampunk Festival, or the Coldwater Steampunk Festival, if you want to know. And I just got this cape, I sewed it, and I just put these chains over the already existent buttons. I'm going to do the hat that's right behind me because I know I will forget about it. I got this for my Steampunk birthday haul and vlog, so I'm gonna link that video up there if you want to go watch that. But this is what it looks like. Very Jane Austen-y, very beautiful. I have this hat here which is falling apart. I need to fix it, but I wore this for my Captain Hook costume. Oh yeah! America. No, I am not American. This is my very vintage 1920s hat. I also have a mini pirate hat, but I want to show you guys the first steampunk hat that I got. I got it at Value Village in their Halloween section during Halloween, and I just want to show you guys how far I've come. Example of something, I think I got this for like $3 at Value Village. So this is an example, start small and then go big. So I got this beautiful, gorgeous hat last year. Darcy, really? Look at the YouTube. Tell them that you bugged them. Okay, I gotta go film. I gotta film. But the next hat that I got this last year at the Steampunk Festival, and I got it because it's so like steampunk and then also like vampires, and I love vampires. So I got this beautiful, beautiful hat. Can you tell? It has this beautiful key, but it has this bow and it has this keyhole and it has this like corset design. It has this bow and I just love it so much. It's just beautiful. I wore it for Halloween last Halloween. Recently, and they're these brown vintage looking shoes. I think they look really cool. I think they would look good with any decade. Probably would look good from like 1800s to maybe the 60s. Like really, really wide amount of decades. These black shoes here, also very vintage, also very classic. I got these shoes from Ardennes, and the first one is this black pair of vintage shoes. Got these for $10 at Ardennes. I also got a pair in white. Got this from Goodwill, and it looks super old. I call it my doctor's bag because it looks like a really cool doctor's bag. So this other bag here is a very small kind of messenger bag. Can't fit much in it. It can fit my phone, but it can't fit a water bottle, so that's a minus, but it looks so cute, and it comes with a long handle here and then a short handle here if you want to carry it around like that. I think it looks really cool, really adventure-y, really steampunk. I only have one weapon. I normally don't bring weapons to the Steampunk Festival only because that normally won't reflect my characters at all, because I normally dressed as like an aristocrat. My interpretation of an aristocrat steampunk character, they wouldn't need weapons and they would disapprove of violence. But you know, steampunk, you can literally do whatever you want. So if you want to be an aristocrat with a weapon, totally do that. However, if I'm playing a steampunk vampire hunter, I know I don't think I've ever seen anyone do a steampunk vampire hunter before, but it's something that I love dressing up as. So it's just a gun. It was a weapon. My dad had it for a Halloween costume. This was originally like a blue and an orange color from the dollar store, and as you can tell, it's huge and completely ridiculous and doesn't look realistic at all. But after he was done with it, I painted it black, and then I put this copper color here. The next thing I got, which I guess is a weapon, I don't know. I got a Captain Hook hook. Just got this magnifying glass here. I also have some crosses for when I am a vampire hunter. I have this Twilight necklace, if you guys remember the Italian vampires. I have this necklace here. I got it from Value Village, and I think it's so cool. It's like a scene where like a dude is giving people, what's going on? Oh, he's playing music and she's giving him a rose. Skull lady cameo necklace. The definition of love. I got this because it was pink, and also I guess my channel, so Sophia Lovelace. A Ouija board necklace here. Not usable at all because it's so curved, as you can tell. Like it doesn't even touch. Like there's so much glass in there. Not really a steampunk item, but I think you guys would like this. And it's just this anklet here, and it has these little teapots made out of pearls. So I got these earrings from the Steampunk Festival. It has little gears. I've been looking for earrings like this forever because Marie Antoinette wore earrings like this with the pearls, and then I love how it has a little steampunk touch with the gears. These cross earrings here, I just got them from the dollar store, and of course I wear it when I am a steampunk vampire hunter. These earrings here, which are also just cameos with little diamond, this brooch here, it's quite big, and it's just a rose with this beautiful gold, almost lace-like detailing. Is not a steampunk item, but it is a Harry Potter item, and it is a Ravenclaw scarf. This is handmade with the Ravenclaw book colors, so the bronze and the blue. I got this for $10, and it's handmade, and I got it at the Harry Potter Festival. I have this faux fur shawl here. It's orange, and I bought it at a Steampunk Festival. I love it so much. I wish I could wear this every day. So the next thing I got, I've never worn it, but I absolutely love it so much, and it was a gift made by a family friend, and it's just this beautiful lace collar, and so it looks kind of like, yeah, it looks like that. I used to wear bows every single day my first year of high school, so I still have some of them kicking around because I like to wear them for festivals, but I just have this red plaid bow, this little mermaid bow here, another little mermaid bow. Next items I got are kind of weird and kind of out there, but it's just something that I made out of the blue. I don't know why I made these, but they're these little I guess they're called like wrist cuffs. They're really popular in like Japanese street fashion. It took me like maybe 3 minutes to make this. And the very last final thing, and it was probably my favorite steampunk accessory, and that is my leather gloves. I got these when I was a vampire hunter when I was 10, and then I just kind of kept them around. And then I wore them again when I was a vampire hunter, again when I was 17, I think, 2 years ago when I was at the Coldwater Steampunk Festival. So that is all my steampunk goth costume festival clothing that I have. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you did like this video, make sure to please give it a big thumbs up because it really helps me out. I also post beauty videos, fashion videos, vlogs, and story time, so if any of that stuff interests you, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below to be notified when I have new uploads. I upload around once a week, so you don't want to miss out when I have those uploads. And bye! Also forgot to include that this scarf is very steampunk-y. It's very, you know, I have a mustache.